You might already know what turnkey solutions mean, but in pharma, truly turnkey means something more. It means one trusted partner from first layout to final handover. With 30+ years of delivering facilities that save lives across 60+ countries, Fabtech is built for this. The Turnkey Hexagon, our motif, is held together by 6 essential pillars: transparency, compliance, reliability, sustainability, speed, safety. These are not just words, they are how we build. When you work with Fabtech, you don't just build a plant. You launch your vision, faster, safer, cleaner, ready to save lives right where they're needed. That's the true power of turnkey.